The 2026 Toyota Hilux outsells every other pickup truck on Earth. Governments buy fleets of them. Farmers swear their lives on them. But 5 serious, documented problems with this truck could cost you thousands. And Toyota's marketing team hopes you never find out. 1. The DPF disaster. Let's start with the problem that has Hilux owners rage posting across forums in Australia, South Africa, and the Middle East. And it has nothing to do with off-road capability. The 2.8-liter GD6 diesel engine in the 2026 Hilux comes fitted with a diesel particulate filter, a DPF. In theory, it reduces emissions. In real life, it creates a nightmare for a specific type of buyer. Here's the issue. The DPF needs high-temperature exhaust gases to clean itself, a process called regeneration. That only happens during long highway drives at sustained speeds. But if you drive short city commutes, do school runs, or live in stop-start traffic, that filter clogs. And when it clogs, you get warning lights, reduced power, limp mode, and a service bill anywhere between $800 and $1,500, depending on your market. Here's what makes it worse. The 2026 update didn't solve this. Toyota has issued driving guidelines, essentially telling you to change how you drive to suit the truck. Not the other way around. That's not a fix, that's a workaround. If you're buying the 2026 Hilux as a city daily driver, this problem isn't a maybe, it's a when. 2. The bone-rattling ride. Here's something the brochure will never say outright. The 2026 Toyota Hilux rides like a truck, literally, because it is a truck. Body-on-frame construction, leaf springs at the rear, commercial-duty bones under that premium exterior, and that means one thing. The ride quality is stiff, choppy, and unforgiving, especially with an empty load bed. We've seen real-world comparisons where the 2026 Ford Ranger, the Volkswagen Amarok V6, and even the Isuzu D-Max offer noticeably better on-road comfort than the Hilux. Toyota made marginal suspension adjustments in the 2024 refresh that carried into 2026. But owners and automotive journalists in Australia and Europe agree. The improvement is there, but it's small. Now, if you're hauling gear across rough terrain daily, this is a non-issue. The Hilux was engineered exactly for that. But if your use case is weekend adventures and daily city commutes, you will feel every pothole, every speed bump, and every imperfection in the road. Your back will have opinions after a 2-hour motorway run. This is the single biggest disappointment for buyers who expected a premium experience. The Hilux looks premium. The ride quality reminds you it isn't. 3. The gearbox gamble. Problem 3. And this is the one Toyota has stayed noticeably quiet about. The 6-speed automatic transmission in the 2026 Hilux has a documented pattern of hesitation, hunting between gears and rough downshifts under load. Hunting means the gearbox can't decide which gear it wants. It shifts up, then shifts back down, then back up. It's unsettling, especially when you need smooth, predictable power on a steep incline or during light off-road driving. Real-world ownership surveys conducted across Australia and Southern Africa, 2 of the Hilux's biggest markets, consistently place automatic transmission complaints in the top 3 most reported issues for this generation. Is this a catastrophic failure? Not immediately. Most owners don't get stranded on day 1, but inconsistent shifting under load accelerates wear on internal transmission components, and a Hilux transmission rebuild, that's between $3,000 and $6,000 depending on your country and dealer. That's real money on a truck you already paid a premium for. If you're going for the automatic, get the extended warranty. That's not optional advice, it's financial self-defense. 4. The price versus value reality check. Now let's talk about something nobody wants to say in a manufacturer-sponsored review: the money. The 2026 Toyota Hilux, depending on spec and market, is now landing between $42,000 and $68,000 US dollar equivalent, before taxes and optional extras. In markets like Australia, South Africa, and the Gulf, that price has climbed significantly over the last 3 years. And here's the uncomfortable truth. At that price point, the 2026 Hilux still doesn't offer wireless Apple CarPlay, a 360-degree surround camera, or a full advanced driver assistance suite as standard across all trim levels. Meanwhile, the 2026 Ford Ranger Wildtrak and the Volkswagen Amarok, both priced in a similar or even lower bracket, ship with better infotainment, superior ride technology, and more standard safety kit. The Hilux is trading on brand reputation, and to be fair, that reputation is 100% earned. A well-maintained Hilux holds resale value better than almost any truck in its class globally. Depreciation is genuinely low, but here's the question you need to ask yourself before you spend $50,000 plus. Are you buying this truck because it's the best option for your life in 2026? Or because your father had one and his father had one? Both are valid reasons, but only one of them is financially rational for your specific situation. Know which buyer you are before you walk into that dealership. 5. The safety score truth. This one matters most if you're carrying your family. The previous generation Toyota Hilux earned a disappointing 3-star ANCAP safety rating. That shocked a lot of buyers who assumed the world's best-selling truck was automatically the safest option. It wasn't. Toyota responded. The refreshed Hilux achieved a 5-star ANCAP result in 2023 testing, but only when tested with the full optional safety package fitted. That's where things get tricky. In many markets across Africa, Southeast Asia, and parts of the Middle East, those safety features, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, are still optional extras, not standard fitment. Depending on which trim you buy and what market you're in, your brand new 2026 Hilux may roll off the lot without a single piece of active safety technology. Compare that to the 2026 Ford Ranger, which includes most of those features as standard across the majority of its trim levels in key global markets. Before you finalize your build and sign the contract, pull up the exact spec sheet. Check every safety feature. Don't assume. Don't let the dealer gloss over it. Verify each item in writing. Here's the honest answer, because you came here for honesty. For the right buyer, the 2026 Toyota Hilux is still one of the most capable, durable, and reliable trucks on the planet. If you work in agriculture, construction, mining, remote logistics, or genuinely demanding off-road conditions, the Hilux's build quality, global parts network, and proven long-term reliability make it the smart choice. It is a world-class tool, but before you commit to $50,000 or more, test drive it on the roads you actually drive every day. Not the dealer's smooth showroom lot. Your roads, your commute, your load, your life.